What's up guys, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that intro that I put together for this video. But before we get into this, my name is Sean, this is my tech channel where I do unboxing, reviews, and tutorials of different tech and gadget products. So if this is the first time you're stopping by and you like content like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and when you hit the bell icon, don't forget to change that to all because that's the only way you'll be notified for all my future videos. So full disclosure, this is a sponsored video, but if you've been part of my channel, you remember I've told you I normally get a ton of different requests for me to review different products and feature them on my videos, but normally about 8 or 9 out of 10 I say no to because they either don't have anything exciting or interesting either for me or for you guys, so I typically won't even end up wasting time to try to review those products. Each of these videos on average will take me anywhere between 10 to 15, maybe even 20 hours, depending on the level of intensity of the test or the production that I have to do for the video. But having said that, I decided to do this product review because one, I'm a huge fan of minimalist wallets. On top of that, these wallets, they have RFID blockers and they're made from really high quality leather, which I'll tell you about in a little bit. The company is called Pularys. They are in Poland and they're very popular there. They sell a lot of these wallets, but they want to start introducing their product to the US market as well. And that's why they're partnering with some of the online influencers to present their products to you guys. My goal is still to be honest and upfront about everything I see and feel about these wallets. So I'm gonna be 100% upfront about things I like and things that I don't like, which there are some things and I will tell you in a minute. If you enjoy this video and if you appreciate what I do and what I've put together so far, please remember to give this video a like. That would be a huge help for me. And that's the best support you can give me and my channel. Number two, I do have a set of giveaways available, total of 10 wallets I'll be giving away. The details I will share later on down in the video, so stay tuned so I can tell you how you can participate in the free giveaways. Without further ado, let me bring up the camera and we're gonna take a closer look at these wallets. All right, so we got 7 wallets we're gonna go through very quickly. So this first one is probably one of the larger wallets that they have. So again, this is full grain leather. So after a while, it will start patina. So you have this button down here. When you open it up, you have slots for 3 cards inside. And this is where you can put your bills. This seems too short for US dollars. So I found myself folding the bills and then put it down here. I have some bills around. Maybe I'll put it in one of the other wallets I'll show you. Loading it is very simple. You can just get all the cards and shove them in all at the same time. And you just pull this lever right here and it will fan out. And then you just take out whichever card you like and you can just push them all down. It's just that simple. One I wish I have, be honest with you, if these buttons were strong magnetic buttons, I think I would have preferred it a little bit better. But again, I'm a sucker for magnets. So just a matter of personal preference maybe. Okay, what do we have here? And by the way, most of these wallets that I'm showing you right now, when you go on their website, they have different colors available. So definitely keep that in mind. This is in brown. This has a little bit different texture compared to the first one. So same thing, you have this RFID ejection system available or RFID blocker. So it has 2 purposes. It holds your cards and it protects it from scammers who will come close to you with a reader in public transportation. They can get close to you and off of your wallet, they can read your credit card number. So this RFID blocker would help with that. When you open it up, you have 2 spots for cards right here. And this is a different interpretation of where you put your bills. It's a plastic piece right here and you can put it right down here. That's it. Very simple. This one, this is actually one of my favorite ones. I may take this as my daily driver. This one, when it opens up, something about how this opens up, I like a little bit better. I like how you your bills are, oh, here's where my money went. I like how the bills are inside. Same thing, by the way, this is not long enough for US dollar. I think it's the same thing for Canada. It's barely long enough, but I found myself easier to just fold the bill, put it down here. So you have a slot right here. This is probably perfect for like an ID. So you want it to be not easily accessible. And this is a spot for another card. And for the ones that you're gonna access the most, you can just put it in this credit card slot right here. And then whatever you need, you can just pull this lever and eject whatever you need. Pretty cool. This, I think, is one of the slimmer ones that is still leather and has this RFID blocker inside. This is a very simple interpretation of it. So you have only one sleeve inside and that's it. Then you have your credit card ejector right here. So this is probably as slim as it can get. You still get the full grain leather. Smells just like really good leather, and that's it. Again, these come in different colors, so if you like the style, check out their website to see if there is a different color that you would like. This is a little bit different. So this one, it comes with this funky design, and if I'm not mistaken, they have several different patterns and design. This one, all it is just an RFID blocker with the credit card ejection. And that's it. This is not made out of leather. And these final ones, they're a little bit more colorful. Again, very fairly slim. So this one has one small sleeve down here for bills. And there's a small pocket right here. I guess if you want to put any coin in here. Obviously, these aren't giant coins. Oh, come on. There you go. So something like this. So the only pocket you have inside is this one. You don't have room for any additional cards, and you only have this RFID blocker with credit card ejection system. And the final one, I believe this one does not have the RFID blocker, but if you want something extremely slim and colorful and fun, still made out of leather, really nice stitching, you get this. So you have two pockets, one on the outside that you can put your bills in. The other one, you can put your cards in. So this is with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. There you go. About a couple of weeks ago, Jeremy SIERS, who is one of my favorite YouTubers, had a video out about different types of leather that is out there. So I learned something new. Ironically, at the same time, I had this product to review. So I always thought any product that it says made with genuine leather, is it genuine or genuine? Anyways, I thought that's really good leather. But what I found is that is not at all the best leather you can get. So in general, you can divide the different types of leather into 4 main categories. The best category at the top is called full grain. And then the next best is top grade. And then the next best after that is genuine leather. And then after that, the worst one is made with real leather. All this leather product that they use is made from full grain leather, which is the best quality leather you can get. They import them from Italy. This company has been in this business, in leather business, for many years. I think since 1930. His grandparent was making horse harnesses out of leather. So definitely decades of experience with leather, and definitely can see it in the quality of the leather, the workmanship, and the stitching and everything else about it. So I just wanted to share that little bit of a history and education about leather and different grades of leather. I will put a link to Jeremy's video down in the description below so you guys can check it out. It's an awesome video. So I just realized I forgot to give you the giveaway instructions. So I didn't want to move my tripod. So I just apologize this weird angle. But anyways, it's gonna be through Instagram. So first you need to like, subscribe, and comment down in this video so I know you're participating and following the instruction. Then on Instagram, you gotta make sure you follow me and Pularys's Instagram account. And then there's gonna be a photo that you need to like and comment, and we will select the winners from the people who will comment on that post. We haven't figured out which post or picture it's gonna be on their Instagram account, so stay tuned for that. We're either gonna describe which photo you need to like and comment, or I may just put the direct link to that post. So either way, more information in the description below, and wish you best of luck. Don't forget there are 10 wallets that will be given away. So this concludes the entire review video. Comment down below, let me know what do you guys think. At the end of the day, I think wallet, it's something very personal and you end up having an intimate relationship with. So what you get and what you feel, it's gonna be really worth it to you. One, the prices, like I said, I think it starts from 13 bucks all the way up to about 40 bucks or so, depending on which bottle you will get. But to have full grain leather that will patina over time, and on many of those models, you have the RFID blockers and the Minimalist, very chic and classy. I think this checks off a lot of marks for me. I'm definitely gonna set one of these things up as my daily driver. I haven't decided which one, but trust me, one of them will be. So comment down below. Let me know what else you want me to answer about these products, how else I can improve my reviews. I would love to hear from you guys and keep this conversation going. Thank you so much for watching. If you hadn't had a chance to like this video, please do so. I'll see you in the next one.